we're going to do a relaxing video on the beach. Let's get a stone. We've got this stone. Now let's throw it. Let's get a bigger one. No, a big one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's keep on walking. We're going to do one more walk through. Got this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're going to do one more through. 3, 2, 1. Starting going in. Guys, it's just so relaxing, isn't it? Look. Ready? Oh, mister. Get the little one. Look at that. Guys, let's make a pile. Guys, let's make a pile of rocks. And I bet I'll... Also, guys, something I've got the most likes. I've got the most likes on my first ever video, and I've got the most views on my first video. So I bet you guys want me to do another dang video. So yeah. Okay, we're going to finish up higher rocks. Look, guys, we've done that. Then these are all the rocks we're going to throw. Ready, guys? Get the pile. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's strong enough. Okay, guys, we're standing up, going for... You've got to watch out for the waves.
Guys, what do you think? Should I go in the water? What do you think? I know. What do you think? I'm going to do that.
My brother made the video worse. Oh my gosh, I almost got wet. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Now you don't have to worry about the waves. Now, guys, I bet it'll be easier to get the rocks. Got to walk here. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Yes, I went in. Oh, look at that one. Look at that water. Look at that. Look at that. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope it was relaxing for you, and like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and goodbye. Have a nice